How to delete a Shopify account. So if you want to delete a Shopify account, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. Open up your browser and then you need to simply go for the search and search for Shopify. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.shopify.com, and it will take you to the website of Shopify. So once you're here on the website, now you need to go for start free trial. Once you click on start free trial, you need to scroll down and go for skip all, and then you need to enter your country or your region, go for next, and then you need to log into your account. So you can create your account if you don't have your account, or you can simply go for login, which is on the bottom right, and make sure to log into your account. So you can continue with your Google, or you can continue with your email by entering your email address. Enter your password and then click on login, and you will be logged into your account. And here, once you've logged into your account, now if you want to delete your account, then what you need to do is simply you can go for settings, which is on the bottom left. And now it will take you to the settings page. So under your settings, you can simply you can go for plan, which is on the second option. And under your plan, you will have this trial option, right? So if you have your membership, or if you have your subscription, then you will have cancel subscription or cancel trial option. You will have the option right here. You need to simply click on that option, and then you can cancel your unwanted subscriptions, or you can cancel your subscriptions. So click on continue and cancel your trial or your subscription, and your account will be removed or your store will be removed. So you can also have another plan. You can go for users and permissions option, and then you will have transfer ownership option. Click on transfer ownership, and then you can enter the email address of the new store owner, the first and last name, and you need to enter your password to confirm. And once you enter the information, click on transfer store ownership, and then you can transfer your store ownership to another person or to a new store. So that's how you can delete or remove your store on your Shopify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.